Nice. Chevy Equinox. Oh, he's got a race to get to Starbucks. There he is again. Yep, there he goes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you. Food delivery. All right. Have a good one. Look at this. That's something else. Tire's flat. Great. I am so sick of life. I really just am. Some of us have to suffer in life, and these CEOs make tens of millions of dollars, and they're sitting around there driving around their Mercedes and their BMWs. The rest of us are on bicycles, doing food delivery, trying to make ends meet. Should be enough. Let's hope it holds air. Yeah, it's good to be prepared. I ran over something back there. I don't know what it was. What are you doing now? That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna stop there and probably back up now. Oh God. You know, people just can't drive cars. Go ahead, go back, keep going back. You're good. Good luck with that. What the hell is going on here? What are you doing? See, rich people with no driving ability. Any day now. Wow. I just gotta make sure she doesn't run me over. She doesn't know what the hell she's doing, obviously. See it. Michelle. I have to confirm both. Why would you park so close to this car, then the person has to get out? People don't use their head. You gotta park so that cars can get out. They park right there. This car can't get out now. See how that is? How do you do that? Scared him. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
You too,
Take care.
thanks.
Thank you. I'm gonna make a left turn from the middle lane. Good job. stupid. Engine 315.
You can't park here. It's a walkway. You know this, correct? No. So then you want to move so I can cross the street, please? And I understand that you can't just park illegally just because you're picking up something. But you shouldn't double park at all. You should find an actual legal parking space. That's usually, I don't know, that's not my job. You're a driver, correct? No, I totally understand. It doesn't matter is what I'm saying. You're a driver, you're supposed to abide by the laws. It's green now, you're blocking me from walking. What? It doesn't matter about going in front, because this is the walkway. You understand this, correct? Alright, then it's fine.